Good morning, my dear students. Have a nice day. Standard 4th, Subject English. Myself, Miss Salima Sheikh, your English teacher. So students, as you know, in the previous lecture, I had explained you chapter number 1, Rain in the Night. Right students? And today I am going to give you the notes of this lesson. Okay? Students, again I am repeating from the previous 2 lecture, I had explained you this poem, right? Chapter number 1, Rain in the Night. And today I am going to give you the notes of this chapter. So students, I request to everyone to open your combined book number 1, okay, and take out your pen also. Students, as you know, now you all are in 4th standard. From today onwards you have to use pen while writing the notes. So students, I request again to everyone to open your combined book number 1 as well as take out your pen. So students, the pic which is flashed on your mobile phone is the page number 1 of combined book number 1. So students, on the top it is written Unit 1, Rain in the Night. So students, now let us see the very first question. Question number 1, learn and write given words 3 times. So students, here some new words are there that you have to write 3 times, okay? So students, let's see now which are those words. So here very first word, it's a reverse. So you have to write reverse 3 times. Got it? Second word, it's a gutters. So you have to write 3 times gutters. Then street. Students, you have to write street word 3 times. Then kitty. Write that word 3 times, kitty. Next, it's a diamond. Then coat, then pen size, and the last word, it's a wonderful. Students, it's an homework. Anyhow, you have to complete this part also. Students, again I am repeating, while you are writing the notes, just read and write. Don't write simply. Got it? जब भी आप लिखोगे notes, homework part, otherwise कोई lesson complete कर रहे हो, students आपको पढ़ कर लिखना है. Right? While you are writing any notes, you have to read and write each and every word. Don't write simply. Got it everyone? Now, move to the next question. So here question number 2. Give opposites of. In that, the very first one is long, short. B1. Soft, hard. C1. Lazy, active. D1. Dirty, clean. Students, again I am repeating the opposite word. Everyone just concentrate. A1. Long. So the answer is short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. B1. Soft. So the answer is hard. H-A-R-D. Hard. C1. Lazy. So the answer is active. A-C-T-I-V-E. D1. Dirty. The answer is clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. So students, I hope everyone had completed the question number 1 as well as question number 2. Right students? Okay. Now move to the next question. So now students, the question number 3. Give rhyming words from the poem. In that, A1. Long, the answer is song. And the spelling of song is S-O-N-G. Song. Now students, B1. Street, the answer is feet. And the spelling of feet is F-E-E-T. Feet. C1. Cot. The answer is short. And the spelling of short is S-H-O-R-T. Short. D1. Places. The answer is phases. And the spelling of phases is F-A-C-E-S. It's called phases. So students, we had completed question number 3, but still. So students, again I am repeating the question number 3. Give rhyming words from the poem. The very first one, A. Long. The answer is song. B1. Street. The answer is feet. C1. Cot. The answer is short. D1. Places. The answer is faces. Now students, move to the next question. Question number 4. Give the name of the poet. It means that who has written the poem, we have to mention the name of that writer. So here, who has written the poem? Amelia Josephine Burr. Students, can you see the spelling clearly? Still I am saying A-M-E-L-I-A. Amelia. Josephine spelling is J-O-S-E-P-H-I-N-E. Josephine. Burr. B-U-R-R. Students, again I am repeating the question number 4. Give the name of the poet. Means who has written this poem, we have to mention the name of that writer. So the name of the poet is Amelia Josephine Burr. Okay students, we had completed the very first page. Now move to the next page. So students, I request to everyone to turn the page. Means open the page number 2. So students, now this is the page number 2 of your combined book. Okay. Students, here the very first question, give meaning of the following. In that, the very first one, it's a gutters. So the answer is channels at the edge of a street that carry off water. Students, again I am repeating. The very first one meaning is gutters. And the answer is channels at the edge of a street that carry off water. Now student, B1. Pen size. So the answer is small plants or their flowers. Students, again I am repeating the B1. Pen size, small plants or their flowers. So students, we had completed the question number 1. Now move to the next. Question number 2. Answer the following question. In that, the very first one is, how long has it been raining? So the answer is, it has been raining all night. Students, again I am repeating the question answer. Students, while I am reading, just concentrate each and every word so that you can also pronounce it clearly. Okay? So here, A1, how long has it been raining? The answer is, it has been raining all night. So students, now the page number 2. In that very first question, give rhymings of the following. In that, A1, it's a gutters. The answer is channels at the edge of a street that carry of water. Students, again I am repeating. A1, gutters, channels at the edge of a street that carry of water. Now students, B1, pen size. So the answer is small plants or their flowers. Students, again I am repeating the B1, pen size. So the answer is small plants or their flowers. So students, we had completed question number 1. Now move to the next question. So here, question number 2, answer the following question. In that, A1, how long has it been raining? The answer is, it has been raining all night long. Students, again I am repeating the question number 2, A1. How long has it been raining? So the answer is, it has been raining all night. Students, now move to the next question. So here, question number 2, B1. What effect will the rain have on the following? In that, A1 means the first one. The question is kitty. Now the answer is, the rain will make lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Students, again I am repeating the first one, it's a kitty. The answer is, the rain will make lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Now students, the second one, it's a roses. So the answer is, the roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. Students, again I am repeating the second one, it's a roses. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. So students, we had completed the half page of page number 2. Now move to the next part of page number 2. So here, the third one is a pen size. So the answer is, the pen size will all get muddy because they are short. Students, again I am repeating the third one, pen size. The pen size will all get muddy because they are short. So students, now question number 2, C1. What is the child planning to do the next day? The answer is, the child will sail in his boat the next day to a wonderful new places. Now students, the question number 3. Describe in 3 to 5 lines what happens when it rains in your surrounding. Students, it's a personal question answer. Means it's a homework part. But today I had given you the answer. But next time you have to write any of the personal question by your own. Got it? Now the answer is, when it rains in my surrounding, the streets get flooded. We see children playing in the rain. They enjoy themselves getting wet. Very often, cars and other vehicles get stuck in the water. Students, again I am repeating the question number 3. Describe in 3 to 5 lines what happens when it rains in your surroundings. The answer is, When it rains in my surrounding, the streets get flooded. We see children playing in the rain. They enjoy themselves getting wet. Very often, cars and other vehicles get stuck in the water. So students, this is the notes of combined book number 1, page number 1 and 2. Students, today itself you have to complete this notes, okay? Students, if you know that from previous 2 lecture, I had explained you this poem, Rain in the Night, right? But in the 2 lectures, I had given you the homework which you have to write in the notebook. Students, there are many students who had not still written the homework. Students, again I am saying in the previous 2 lecture, I had given you the homework. You have to write the poem one time in your English notebook. That was the very first homework when I had given you in the very first lecture, right? Second lecture, it is on Monday. Yes, in that also I had given you the new words, right students, that you have to write in the notebook. And today is the Wednesday. I had given you the notes of this lesson that you have to write in the combined book, okay? Now students, I had given you the new words, right, to write down in your English notebook. But there are many students who had not written. So students, again I am repeating the new words. Those who have still not written the new words, they have to write this new words one time in your English notebook. Got it everyone? Okay. So again I am repeating the new words so that you can pronounce each and every word properly. So here, chapter number 1, Rain in the Night. The new words are raining, second, something, third, soft, fourth, loud, fifth, gutters, sixth, rivers, seventh, concise, eighth, muddy, ninth, diamonds, 10th, gutters, 11th, wonderful, 12th, coat, 13th, lazy, 14th, dirty, and the last one, 15th word, it's a kitty, right? Students, if you observe the gutters word, I have repeated 2 times. First time it is written in the 5th number and next line it is written in the 10th number, right? You have to write only 1 time only, okay? Now students, move to the next homework which I had given you already. So students, in the very first lecture I had explained you Rain in the Night, and that time I had given you the homework is to write this poem 1 time in your English notebook. Students, it's a very important poem for the exam. So students, again I am repeating the poem, okay? You all of you just repeat after me, okay? Unit 1, poem number 1, Rain in the Night. Raining, raining, all night long. Sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pensies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pensies' faces. Written by Amelia Josephine Burr. So students, in the previous lecture I had given you the homework is to write poem number 1 time, right? Those who have already written, very good for those students. But students, there are many who had not written the homework only. There are many students who had still not written the homework. So students, anyhow, you have to complete all the homeworks by today itself. Okay? So students, if you have any doubt, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.